Here is the talk reactions. Yesterday, the 10 strong odds from the Hacked app featuring the matches of Chelsea, PSG, Bayern Munich and others were able to win the 10 strong odds from the Hacked app, which was 90 to 99% winning assured. Today, the Hacked app has given us 15 solid strong odds, of which we can try our luck on to know how this odd is going to bless us during today's games. Okay, so as I always say, these games, they are subject to changes. So if you see one or two selections which is not to your liking, you can do justice to it by either omitting it or making changes to it. And if you are a first timer watching content from this channel, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop new content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's get into the odds to know the 15 solid odds from the Hacked app, which is 90 to 99% winning assured. Now let's get started. So the first game from the Hacked app is the game featuring the match between Manchester City and Tottenham Hotspur, and this match they tipped first 10 minutes draw. That is drawing the first 10 minutes, which is given an odd of 1.24. The second is the match between Bayer 04 Leverkusen and Hoffenheim, and this game they tipped Asian handicap plus 2.5 for Hoffenheim. This is the same as giving handicap 3 for Hoffenheim, and it's given an odd of 1.23. Next, Salzburg versus Lask, and this match they tipped first 10 minutes draw, which is given an odd of 1.21. Next is the match between Marseille and Paris, and this match they tipped straight win by 2 up for Marseille, giving an odd of 1.41. Arsenal versus Leeds United, they tipped straight win by 2 up for Arsenal, giving an odd of 1.29. The next is the match between St. Pauli and Dortmund, and this match they tipped over 0.5 goals for Dortmund, giving an odd of 1.19. Also, Sassuolo versus Napoli, they tipped straight win but 1 up for Napoli, giving an odd of 1.35. The straight win but 1 up for Napoli means that if Napoli scores first goal and even they lose, we still win. And anytime in the match of which Napoli is leading by a goal difference of 1, we still win. Okay. Also, PSV versus Groningen, this match they tipped straight win but 2 out for PSV, giving an odd of 1.18. Also, the match between Silver Player and Pubides, they tipped straight win but 2 out for Silver Player, giving an odd of 1.10. Fenerbahce versus Kocaelispor, this match they tipped Asian handicap plus 3.5 for Kocaelispor, which is giving an odd of 1.14. Next is the match between AC Milan versus Cremonese, and this match they tipped straight win but 1 up for AC Milan, giving an odd of 1.24. Also, Lyon versus Metz, this match they tipped Asian handicap plus 3.5 for Metz, giving an odd of 1.12. Also, Levante versus Barcelona, this match they tipped straight win but 2 up for Barcelona, giving an odd of 1.25. And the last on the list is the match between Nacional de Madeira versus Sporting, and this match they tipped straight win but 1 up for Sporting, giving an odd of 1.15. So these selections all together is giving an odd of 15.93 with a maximum bonus percentage of 24%. Okay, and the booking code is what you see on the screen. So make sure you pick the booking code and do justice to it by trying your best on this selection, and let's see how this selection is going to bless us for the day. As I always say, if you see 1 or 2 selections from this list of which it is not to your liking, you can do changes to it by either omitting it or making changes to the selection, as simple as that, from these games. Okay, so if you are first time watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I post new video like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. We hope to see greens, and in the next video I'm going to give the 2 weeks long selections from the Hacked app, which is 90 to 99% winning assured, giving a total odd of 8,000 plus odds, okay, of which you can try your luck on. So let's meet in the next video. We hope to see greens, and greens shall we see forever.